day 8. So it's May 8th, and nobody showed up again today. This is a pattern. So the framers were supposed to come back and put in the subfloor. So I sent a message out to the general contractor letting them know that they didn't show up, and we wanted to know what was going on. And they said they would call in a few hours and answer all our questions.
Yes, they were in a meeting discussing all of this. And basically, they had hired the subcontractor, and he was unavailable himself to do the job, so and stay on schedule. So he passed it down to his brother to do the job, and he wouldn't do as good a job as the subcontractor. And so they were going to let him go and look for a new framer to do the subfloor and the framing of the garage. They felt pretty good about that. They said whatever the additional cost would be, that would not be passed along to us, that they would absorb that, whatever that cost was, that they wanted to do the right thing by us. So that's where we are now. And
they made the right call. We were happy with how they handled it. They have a sub coming out tomorrow to, again, give another quote for the job that was not done, the framing and the subfloor. And I was a little bit concerned because I wanted to make sure that we're on schedule, because in Washington State, it doesn't rain from July to September. Unlike Florida, that does nothing but rain. That is hurricane season. So I do want to make sure that we can get this midterm rental up and running and rented. So somebody, hopefully a travel nurse who works so hard, can enjoy the weather here, as well as a comfortable place to stay and safe. So,
and not push the schedule too far out. Maybe we lost this past week, but maybe they can make up part of that week too.
And even if they're a week late, that's okay. We'll make sure we have somebody in it at least by July.
But we, at this point now, 8 days in, a lot of turbulence and confusion and unknowingness and all of that.
It was a little bit scary just not knowing. I don't really think that the general contractor realized how clueless this team was, these framers. And I think that because they didn't see, they didn't know what was going on. Yeah.
But we feel good about, well, again, words are only words, right? But moving forward, hopefully.
It's not how you start the job, it's how you finish the job.
That's right. That's right. So.
All right. Okay.